Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well, and I am as always amazing because I always remains amazing. So welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Design Unfold episode. So today I'm going to unfold my Thor movie poster, which took me around 2 hours to design because that time I just started, and it was really amazing, and I learned a lot post during designing that poster, and you will also learn a lot. So make sure to watch video till end, and if you are new to the channel, please make sure to hit a subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to hit a like also. So yeah, let's move to my screen, and there's a lot to learn. So guys, we are here at my screen, and I'm very excited for this one. And let me first hide all the layers, then we will do. You can skip this part if you wish, or I will speed up in the video. Okay, that will be better. So hiding layer is completed, and I chose this background for this image, and it was looking very different in the final image. So I tried, I thought of giving a Gaussian blur, but then I dropped that idea. So I added a red color here and give it a blend mode color. I used a blend mode color in this one, and then I added a black black layer to give a little dark effect, and then we have a Thor, and I added two Thors, and I will tell the reason at the end of adding the two Thors, so do watch till end. And then this thing was distracting me from subject, so I just took my paintbrush and just colored this, so it was like that. And you can just uh, yeah, it was distracting from the subject, so I did it. And I added the second thought just because of the this portion. And okay, I'm going to tell in the last because you will not feel any difference right now. So, and I added a black color, and this arrow is representing the clipping mask. You can go to right, you can just right click on the layer, and you can add create clipping. Just this in this layer it is looking, in this layer it is release clipping mask, and if you like add, you have create clipping mask. So if you create a clipping mask, this layer will only affect this layer rather than the background. So this is very helpful. I have to work only on Thor, and this hammer is creating a distraction because this has quite amount of light, so I just gave it a black paintbrush and just rubbed it upon this and decrease the opacity to 40%. You can see the 100% opacity in this layer also. Okay, this was the earlier layer, so I decreased this one to 40%, and this one is 41, almost same. Okay, and also added a little black on this side because light was falling from this side, so I have to add black shade this side to give more amazing 3D effect to the image. So I added a little more black here, and in this layer I added a light white color to give a more crispier stuff to the image. And I added some blacks on the shared face, and you can adjust the opacity. You just use the paintbrush tool and you can adjust the opacity. And then on the armor, I gave it a red paintbrush and decreased its opacity. And then I just use paintbrush tool and I give some color to the eyes. And then I added a lightning here. You can see the clear notice here. Okay, let me select this one. Okay, you can see the clear notice here, and this is the lightning. This one is also lightning on this hand. Okay, every layer has is doing a something or other. And why I'm using clipping mask, because it is only affecting the Thor, because I want to give the lightning only on the Thor's image, not in the background. So here I have give lightning on the hammer, or what it's called, I forgot the name. Here it had added some more lighting, and similarly some more lighting, and some more lighting on the hammer, and here, and every layer is doing something, every layer is having something, and here some more lighting, here some more lighting. Okay, here some more lighting. You can just notice the change on the top of the hammer, some more lighting. So every layer is doing something, every layer is adding to something. This one is also some more lighting. Okay, here some more lighting. Then I give a color balance. You can just go to this thing and you can give a color balance to the thoughts image, and then levels, and it is now matching perfectly with the background. The image has now matched perfectly with the background. And the moment where why I added two Thor images, because okay, because of this stuff. Okay, it was, I have to mask it because of some reasons while I was designing. So just to ensure the blacks here, because later I ended some flakes, so I used the second Thor. Okay, I added these sparkle or these flakes here, fire flakes. I downloaded this image from internet, and also lightning image also from internet. Okay, in the lightning image, what I think is okay, yeah, this is a png image, and I just cropped it out, and I added some flicks, and then I used the font Thor. I found this font. I just simply type on Google Avengers font, and I love this one, so I use this one, and I give it some effect. I give it a bevel, so it is looking something 3D, and then satin to have this texture. So I just simply played with effects, layer effects. You can just go to this, you can add the new layer style, and you can just play with it, and your new Thor poster is ready. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, please make sure to hit a subscribe also. So that's it for today's video. So keep practicing designing. So see you guys in my next video.